here, kid.
Oh, pardon me.
Say boo, Grandma. Boo.
We got to get the bib off. Oh, hold on. Hold on.
I wish you stayed awake for lunchtime.
Are you kidding? Yes. Friday we could. She wouldn't go to sleep. She went at 3 o'clock. She passed.
No. She was in there for 45 minutes muttering to herself before she collapsed.
I had her in there Friday and put her in probably about 45 minutes in the crib, walking, and usually she just collapses and goes to sleep. Yeah. But she was not, and as soon as I opened the door, she jumps up and got me back.
She finally has about 2:30.
Yeah.
What do you got? I think we were trying to get out and do some shopping.
Oh.
We didn't get out.